In this video, you'll learn how to plan, execute, and review a trip with your Overlander device. On your desktop, log into your Garmin Explore account. Navigate to the Map tab. We're going to show you how to upload a GPX file. Select the Import Data icon. Choose between importing your files as tracks or routes. We recommend tracks. Name the file, then drag and drop the file you wish to upload. The new data will appear under your Collections list. If your Overlander is synced with your desktop, then your new data will automatically upload to your device. Let's talk about how to create routes and waypoints on Garmin Explore. To add a waypoint, simply click the flag icon and place it anywhere on the map. You can edit the icon and name of your waypoint before clicking the green check mark to confirm. To add a route, simply click the Next icon. Click your cursor where you want the route to start. The route will be drawn in a straight line, so click to make directional turns in your route as you draw it across the map. Once you find where you want your route to end, click that location, then click it again to finish the line. You can also name your route and select the color. Once again, if your Overlander is on and synced, all of your routes, waypoints, and additional data should automatically be uploaded. On your Overlander, you can access all of your Garmin Explore information and add it into your trip. Open the Drive app and select the search icon. Then select the Explore option. You can choose between waypoints, tracks, and routes in your collection. Select the route you just made on your Garmin Explore account. You can select if you want coordinates to the starting point of your route, the ending point, or the closest entry point to your current location. Drive will give you turn-by-turn directions to the starting point of your route. Let's say you've traveled to the start of your route or waypoint, but it's time to start looking for a campsite. Press the search icon and select Ultimate Public Campgrounds. You'll find a list of nearby campsites. You can adjust and add amenities such as Wi-Fi access and fire pits. Select your desired campsite and you have the option to start a new route or add it as your next stop. At any point in your travels, you can open Track Recorder. Select Start when you want Overlander to begin recording your journey. As you go along your journey, you will undoubtedly encounter points of interest. You can mark them as waypoints on your map by selecting the area, then selecting Add Waypoint. You can then enter a name for the new waypoint. Once your journey is complete, select Stop in Track Recorder. Then you'll be prompted to save the file. Once you reconnect with your desktop, you can review this track and even share it with friends. You can log into your Garmin Explore account on your desktop to review your latest track. If you want to share it with friends, you can export it as a GPX file. Click the Export icon and select either GPX or KML. The file should automatically export to your desktop for you to share with others. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in this series to learn more about using your Overlander.